Good evening, this is Giuseppe Basile. I'm the analyst on trade. You can find at the blog www.fibstalker.com. I also post regularly on Twitter using the @fibstalker nickname. Good evening, today is Monday, December the 2nd, 2013, and it's 15 to 5 p.m. Time in Toronto, Canada. In this brief video, I'm going to review for you the euro dollar, the dollar index, the S&P 500, and gold E-mini futures. So let's start from the euro dollar. As you can see here, there is this 136.25 level, and we never went above that. Now we could make the case that as the S&P 500 has reached its second target, we are seeing profit taking from on the SP, which is bringing down the euro as well. What is important to notice it's the technical situation of the euro, and actually the euro was not able to break this setup from the shorts on the daily, and it would have been broken if we would have seen price above 136.25. That didn't happen, so at this stage we will need to see what will happen at the next level, where the longs will try to pick price up, and this level, it's very well defined, and it's the level that you see here, and this is going to be around the 134.60 level. So I can anticipate we might see some participation there, but the fact that the S&P 500 might be putting in a larger retracement into the next level of support makes me think that this 134.16 might be indeed be pierced, which bring us back to the previous level, the level that acted as a support. Very clearly, the 132.93, 133 area acted as a support, and now we might anticipate that this support to be actually retested. Very nicely, I want you to notice that this area of resistance here is also an area of setup for program trading on the short side on the daily, and the first target is right at that 61.8 level. So we don't know what is going to happen. We don't know whether the 134.17 is going to be breached. So I think we have to be very careful here. We anticipate on the S&P 500 might bring the euro lower, but it's really what is going to happen on the dollar. And let's move to the dollar then. This is the daily chart, and the dollar has been picked up recently, and I'm showing here a potential extension long, and actually today the extension has been respected. Actually, it's not only today, but in the last few days. And although the dollar index does not respond to program trading very well, because it's very thin as well, I think this could be a potential level of support, and if this is the case, then as you can see, we could see price of the dollar at 82, around 82.10, 82, and the second target could come at 82.80 level. So it doesn't mean that the dollar will get there, but there is the potential and there is the setup here for the dollar to get there. Moving to the S&P 500, congratulations to those who followed my advice and did not get short this market too early. And as you will remember, we have been trading since July this year. We have been trading this extension long, and it worked nicely. touching first and second target. As you can see here, and the first target in 1727 was touched. We had a correction and then a continuation higher right into that 1813 I've indicated last week. So if you follow my method, you'll be able to develop an activity to spot the algorithmic trading footprint on price, and that's exactly why we knew that there was the 1727 area of target here, and then again there was this 1813 area of target. So although there is a possibility for this market to continue a little bit higher, I believe this is a profit taking area, and that's what we're seeing today. Today we are seeing profit taking, this long red bar here, and so now we have to figure out where this profit taking can bring price. We had so far a very well formed sequence of measured moves. So to me, if we get a deeper correction, and this might take a few weeks to develop, then we should see price. We should see price at 1742, and actually this. Let me remove the previous level, and the failure level will be below 1726 here. So what it means is that if we get below 1726, then the bull market in the S&P500 and so in all the indexes around the world is going to come to an end. And believe it or not, that's the power of algorithmic trading. And if algorithms will not defend the 1743 level here, it means that the general market, funds, hedge funds, banks, institutions, traders, big traders, hedgers, they won't have any interest in keep pushing this price higher. Now, I want to highlight that I'm going to make a special here. I'm going to publish a special on this market, and I'm not giving to you now what you should do if market gets to 1742. I'll publish a special on that, and I'll give you exact instruction what you should do in case price gets to this area. So I hope you enjoyed anyway the move higher here, and congrats again to those who follow my advice and were able to spot algorithmic trading footprints. So last but not least is going to be the gold future. As I told you last week, the gold future are around this move lower. If we thought we could see higher prices, that's not the case clearly, and last week I've indicated this level of an area of resistance here, 1343, and this area of resistance has a target right at 1207, and as you can see here we had some support in an area where there were old long entry orders waiting here, but they didn't last a lot, and today we're seeing this move lower, propelled by the dollar, which is moving higher, and we are very close to this 1207 level here, which I believe we will get tomorrow, and then we will need to see whether there will be a continuation lower into the next level of target, and if we have continued correction lower, then it's possible that it's possible in the S&P500, it's possible that we will continue lower in gold as well, because we anticipate then the dollar continue to move higher in the dollar. So if the dollar continues higher, then 11.37 is going to be the next level where we would see gold. But we cannot be sure about this, and also there might be participation on the upside at these levels. So I think all these markets, of course, are related one another, and if SP500 does not complete the move lower into 1743, as well as the euro dollar reverses and keeps going higher, then we might see a price reverse at this previous 1200 levels. Otherwise, the dollar will continue lower, and keep in mind that a lot of gold miners, they did not start hedging just yet, which means that they didn't short futures in order to hedge themselves, which means that the potential for gold to keep moving higher is still there, keep moving lower is still there. Sorry. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this is going to be useful for your trading. Congrats again to those who follow my advice and let them guide themselves from the study and observation of the footprints of algorithmic trading. That's what I do, and that's what I want to help people taking advantage of and understanding. This video is going to be released only to my newsletter subscribers. So if you want to receive this newsletter, just go to my website and fibstalker.com and subscribe the newsletter. Have a great week, trading week. Trade safe, don't rush. There'll be opportunities, and have a great evening. Bye bye now.